If you're looking for affordable and effective ways to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting, there are several natural methods to explore. You can create your own potpourri using dried flowers, spices, and essential oils, which can be made easily at home to avoid toxins found in commercial products. Letting in fresh air is another simple way to eliminate musty odors, and homemade scented candles or essential oil diffusers can add a pleasant fragrance without harmful chemicals. Baking cookies or cooking savory meals can also fill your home with comforting aromas, while simmer pots made of water and scented ingredients provide an instant refresh. Fresh flowers can enhance both the aesthetic and scent of your space, and for a quick air freshening, a mixture of vodka, water, and essential oils works well. Lastly, apple cider vinegar is effective in neutralizing odors when mixed with water in a spray bottle or simmered on the stove.